Hi, I'm Sherri L Smith, Editor-in-Chief of Laptop Mag, and I am here in the Lenovo booth, a little bit ahead of IFA, and this is absolutely the year of the mobile, of the handheld. This is the Lenovo Legion Go, and right now, just for the little bit of time that I've spent with it, this might be the best handheld that I've used this year. Sorry, everybody else that I reviewed. Sometimes it's not good to be first. I'm almost speechless. So let's start with the display. 8.8 inches, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, 2560 by 600 resolution. I've been playing Ori and the Will of the Wisps on it, and it is running beautifully. In terms of the processor, we are looking at an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme with AMD Radeon 700M series graphics. 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of onboard storage, but that can be expanded to 2 terabytes via the micro SD card. There is, in terms of battery, we are looking at a 49.2 watt-hour battery. Lenovo's not really commenting on what the estimated battery life with that is yet, so stay tuned. Other things to note that there's a USB-C port on the top and the bottom. So again, something else that Lenovo isn't commenting on, dockage. Like, it's be hard pressed to believe that there won't be a dock coming at a later date. This is a Windows 11 machine. You even have a touchpad right here. And I'm taking a page out of Nintendo's book. If you hit this button and pull, removable controller, and it can actually be used as a mouse, which is really cool. Like so. Yep, and I've unpaused my game, but that's okay. And of course, we've got this lovely adjustable kickstand. So if you don't feel like holding it, you don't have to, which is beautiful, honestly. So this is going to be available in October, and it is coming in at a very competitive $699. And of course, when we're saying the Extreme, this is the top of the line version. There is most definitely going to be a base model that's going to be a little bit cheaper, but for my money, I would invest in this because this is it. This is it. Like, this is the mobile PC solution to get, hands down. The Lenovo Legion Go. You heard it here first. I'm Sherri L Smith, Editor-in-Chief of Laptop Mag here at IFA. Stay tuned for more coverage from the show floor, and I'm going to get back to gaming.